What a nice pick of the bike in the shadow. Oh, there's the wind. Sort of over there. Up to a nice 120 k's, just a feather under 5,000 revs. The bike redlines at 7.5, so not even feeling it really. Received wisdom is that the KLR likes sort of 4,000 revs, and over 4 it starts chewing oil a bit and blah. Let's see how it goes. I'd rather do that extra 10 k's an hour and do slightly better time. Maybe more, especially in this sort of condition. Straight roads, potentially getting quite hot. If I'm traveling in other parts of Africa and a different terrain and more interesting roads, and maybe, well, so maybe not going to get hot, but it'll get maybe not dry heat like this, or get humid. Anyway, let's see how we go.